Then we'll move on to the European Centre for Law and Justice.
Thank you, Mr. President. The European Centre for Law and Justice would like to thank and congratulate the Special Rapporteur on freedom of religion for his report and activities. As the Rapporteur emphasizes it, the primary holders of religious freedom are the individuals. Whereas it is true that the religious minorities need a special recognition and protection as a group. On the other hand, the individuals should not be prisoners of their religious groups. Their individual right and freedom to change religious affiliation, to convert, must be protected, especially for those who leave the majority in order to join a minority religion. It is of a primary importance that the Human Rights Council persistently condemns the so-called anti-apostasy laws. In this regard, the European Centre for Law and Justice would like to bring to your attention again the situation of Saeed Abedini, who is currently jailed in Iran because of his religion. Arrested during his visit to Iran to build a non-sectarian orphanage, Saeed is now imprisoned in Tehran for engaging in peaceful assemblies of Christians in private homes. Also, his official charge was cloaked as a national security concern. Iranian media and his attorney have reported that Saeed was put on trial solely because of his religious activities. Saeed's imprisonment is a clear violation of the rule of law and of his fundamental rights to exercise his religion of choice, in community with others, in public or private, in worship, observance, practice and teaching, as guaranteed by international law. Saeed peacefully and private and religious gatherings are not a threat to national security, and moreover, General Comment 22 prohibits restricting religious freedom on the basis of national security. Saeed has been repeatedly beaten, denied access to medical care, subjected to intense interrogations, and threatened with death, all because he peacefully exercised his Christian faith. These violations must be addressed so freedom of religion and belief, including the intertwining rights of religious expression and peaceful assembly, are reinforced as a cornerstone upon which peace may be established. The ECLJ recommends that the Human Rights Council condemn every practice that prevents individuals from freely choosing and practicing their religion of choice, and request that Saeed be released immediately. Thank you, Mr. President.